Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Work on a 2004 Honda Civic with the engine off and the key removed. Safety first. Park level, set the parking brake, and keep the cabin ventilated. Locate the Select/Reset button on the instrument cluster near the odometer. This same button reads trip A, trip B, and the total odometer. Confirm the dash shows total miles, since the maintenance light typically triggers in roughly 5,000 mile intervals. Gather a small flashlight and a pen to record the current mileage. Then approach the dash controls calmly and steadily. Begin the reset by pressing and holding the Select/Reset button on the dash while the ignition is off. Keep holding that button and turn the key to the on position. Do not crank the starter. Maintain pressure on Select/Reset for about 10 seconds until the odometer digits flash or display dashes, indicating the system is resetting. Release the button and wait 2 seconds, then turn the ignition to off. Turn the key back to on and confirm the maintenance required light is no longer illuminated on the instrument panel. After reset, drive the Civic briefly and confirm the maintenance required light remains off. If it returns immediately, repeat the exact hold and turn sequence, making sure to hold Select/Reset for the full 10 seconds. If the lamp persists, check basic service items. Oil level, filter condition, tire pressure, and any scheduled services due at 5,000 miles increments. A stuck indicator or failed cluster switch can prevent reset. In that case, have a dealer or independent technician scan the maintenance system, and if needed, replace the dash Select/Reset switch to restore proper function.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.